2, 1. Hi, we're back.
Hello.
You might notice that the background's a little different. We decided to do this from inside the house. The studio's a bit warm and humid today. All right, so what are we going to be making today, Junior?
Today we are going to be making bookmarks.
Bookmarks? What is this one?
This is the one that I made. I call him Mr. Carrot.
Mr. Carrot? He's
Yes,
pretty cute.
Carrot.
He's got the cutest little hair. All right, this is the one Noe made for today. All right, so what are you going to need? You're going to need some construction paper, like this. You're going to need some glue, markers, a pencil, and scissors. Super easy. Okay, Junior's gonna start us off by showing us how to fold and cut.
Okay, so here we go. If you have origami paper, use that. We're going to turn this rectangle sheet of paper into a square. So we get this corner and make this line up with this line.
So we get this line to line up with this line, okay? Does it have to be straight?
Yes, it has to be straight, otherwise it's not a square.
Okay, so it has to be a perfect square. Okay? And now it looks like this.
It looks like this now.
Woo. Okay. Now what?
Now we're going to get some scissors
And cut this piece off?
and we're going to cut this little rectangle piece off.
All right. Don't throw the rectangle piece off. You can use it for other parts of your project or for a bookmark. So what do you do after you cut this little piece off?
So after you cut it, you have a triangle. So if you open it back up, you notice that you have made a square. So your line should be straight down the middle, so you make it look like a diamond. Fold it like a diamond.
Hold it like a diamond. Okay.
Lines in the middle.
Okay.
You want to get this corner to touch this corner.
Okay, so this corner goes to the opposite side. All right. And what do I do from there?
From here, you pinch the back,
Pinch the back.
and then you run your fingers along and crease it.
It's a triangle again. Ta-da! Okay,
So then you're going to get this corner,
this corner.
and you're going to make it line up with the crease you have here.
So there's a crease, and I'm gonna bring this corner to the point and line it up. All right,
And fold it. And fold the other corner up.
fold the other corner.
So then, you see this corner here?
Womp, womp, womp. Yeah,
You get it and you fold it backwards
we fold
until it
back.
touches the back line.
So that's an interesting design.
So then, you get this corner and bring it back up to the top.
It's like hiding it.
Then, you're gonna tuck it back in.
So I open it a little bit, tuck it inside. Okay.
Then you're gonna do the same thing with the other side.
Ah. Chomp, chomp, chomp. That's pretty cool. All right. So how did you make it look so cool?
So I got some printer paper,
Some white paper?
white paper, and I cut out a little circle, 2 little circles, and some teeth.
Ah, okay. So what you can do is you can use these pieces that were left over to decorate it. You can get white paper or any color paper to make eyes. You can cut a piece of paper for the inside.
Like you see here and here.
So I'm getting this corner, and you can cut this off and tuck it inside. You might have to trim it a little more. Tuck it in there. So then you're saying we can make little eyes?
You can make little eyes, yeah.
Can make a little eyes. And glue them on. You can make silly teeth. Oh, what if we made, I only have blue paper here with me. So you can make some teeth. You can glue it. And if you get the teeth, you can glue them towards the inside of your mouth. Boop, boop, boop. And you get your book, and you can use it as a bookmark. This way you don't lose your page. I think these are pretty fun. All right, guys, so for this week's project, you're going to need some sticks, maybe some beads, any kind of cool little found objects, small ones that you don't mind tying. You're going to need some popsicle sticks, some paint, some glue, and maybe a little bit of parents' help this week. But thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you next time. Bye.